Have you noticed how the hover play evolved on your YouTube? We're not talking about the usual hover play where you put the cursor over the video and watch a selection that YouTube made of the most compelling footage. Now, when you put the cursor there, you see keep hovering to play, and the video starts playing without you clicking on it. Previously, the decision of watching a video was based on the thumbnail and the title. With this new feature, the viewer may stop scrolling, but he can see the first seconds of the video before actually clicking on it. More impressively, the entire video can be played without going to the play page. So as a YouTube automation creator, does this kind of view count on your watch time? Or is it YouTube literally stealing your views? We're going to answer this question and see if, since the first seconds of a video are now part of the decision to click, is it the end of thumbnails? More importantly, as a small channel, how to take advantage of the hover play feature to grow your Faceless channel. Thumbnails versus intro. When the viewer can have a foretaste of your video through the hover play, the decision of clicking is not based on the thumbnail alone. So what does this mean for you, YouTuber? It means that you have an additional chance to hook the viewer in and make him watch your video for a longer period of time, which is a great opportunity since studies show that the biggest drop-off part is in the first seconds. In fact, people had to click on the video to decide if they're going to keep watching. Most of them end up leaving, which leads to an increased bounce rate. And this could be very harmful to your channel, especially when you're starting out on the platform and trying to get the algorithm to push your videos. So, how to use the hover play to attract more viewers? Simply by adding captions, at least in the first 5 to 10 seconds of your video. By the way, captions are now crucial to grow a YouTube automation channel. We'll tell you why and give you several options to create an attractive text on screen in the following videos. So make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss any YouTube updates. As we said, since the video is displayed on mute, all you can rely on to earn clicks is the text showing in the first seconds. And this is what your text should be about. First, relate to the viewer. If your video is about how to gain muscles fast, you can start your video with the struggles that your audience is facing in the nutrition, workouts, or motivation areas. People interested in the educational niche are often experience difficulties and trying to resolve them by watching this video. So, make them trust you enough to follow your instructions by relating to their challenges. Second, go straight to the point. As you and I, people's attention is more and more shattered by short-form content thanks to social media. When they click on a video, they need to find a quick solution to their problem. Skip the usual intro and give them the answer they're looking for. This approach is also efficient to make the viewer relate to your content and follow your point of view. In YouTumation, in each video, we try to figure out what's the best hook for this specific topic, because we don't want to lose your time and always try to give you summarized and precise information that's going to help you grow your YouTube automation channel. So, are hover plays winning the battle over thumbnails? Absolutely not. Thumbnails are still essential if they're perfectly adapted to new YouTube users' behavior. With the title, it makes them stop scrolling. Then comes the hover play to drive the decision to click. So, this change on YouTube isn't an obstacle to your Faceless channel's success. It's a real opportunity and a supplementary tool to bring more traffic to your videos and grow faster. And if you're looking for more tips to push your small YouTube automation channel, you should watch the following video.